Smoking sausage is a great way to impart a wonderful flavor onto your meat. But how do you do it? The key is to not overcook it. The key is low temperatures for a little bit of a long period of time for cooking regular sausage. We're going to keep them on the grill for about 2 hours. Now, if you have a smoker or you have a kettle grill like we have here today, we're going to be using what's called indirect cooking. The heat you pour them into your kettle onto one side. We're going to bank them on one side. On the other side is where we're going to put our sausage. When you bank your coals on the one side of the grill for the indirect cooking, we're going to get the smoke flavor by using hardwood chips. We're going to have the soaked hardwood chips on top of the fire. When we close our lid and cut off the oxygen a little bit, we'll see the plumes of white smoke coming out. That's how we know we're getting great flavor. The sausage is going to be cooking for about 2 hours because we want it to get up to 160 degrees internal temperature. We want our kettle temperature, the temperature of our cooking space, to be about 225 degrees. That's it. It's a piece of cake, and you're going to have some of the best sausage you've ever had in your entire life. Thanks for watching. I'm Tony Fatso Siciliano, and to learn more about me, go to onthegrillradio.com.